Hello, traders. After studying VWAP closely, we realized that traditional VWAP has a few built-in limitations. And in some market conditions, they can work against your trading performance. You can see that when the market starts a new trading day, the indicator calculates and forms a single anchor point. From there, it continues to expand along with price and grows wider over time. If your plan is to trade when price returns to the VWAP line, but for some reason you missed that opportunity, then as price moves farther away, expecting another entry point becomes more difficult and limited. As a new trading day begins, VWAP initializes from a single anchor and continues expanding as price develops. Over time, the bands widen as more data accumulates. If your plan is to enter when price pulls back to VWAP, but you miss that first retracement, the distance between price and VWAP can grow significantly. At that point, meaningful re-entry opportunities become less frequent and harder to manage. Therefore, we are developing an indicator called Flex VWAP. It is designed to address the limitations of traditional VWAP, remove lag from old data, closely follow every movement of volume, and reliably identify fair value zones. Flex VWAP allows you to flexibly select multiple anchor points instead of being limited to a single fixed position. Once each anchor point is formed, dynamic support and resistance zones appear, helping you better observe market behavior and proactively capture entry opportunities. Through this, you can track how price moves, reacts, and bounces from one anchor point to another, while the varying levels of expansion at each anchor point reveal how the market is responding at different stages. In the Flex VWAP indicator, we have developed and designed 4 different modes. Bar mode is designed to calculate and display VWAP bands based on the number of candles you specify. In addition, the Smart Status Bar tracks the development of each VWAP cycle in real time from initiation to the next reset. Volume mode calculates VWAP based on traded volume rather than time. It exists for a simple reason. Price doesn't move because time passes. It moves because orders are executed. Instead of resetting by candles or clock intervals, VWAP resets when a defined volume threshold is reached. This allows fair value to realign with actual liquidity shifts in the market. When liquidity expands, structural moves form quickly, complete faster, and appear more frequently. When liquidity contracts, those structural cycles last longer and develop more slowly. Time mode is built on the idea that each trading session operates independently. Flex VWAP allows you to define anchor resets at specific time windows throughout the day. This makes it clear how liquidity and participation shift between the Asian, European, and US sessions. When all sessions are blended into a single anchor, fair value can become less representative of the active session. Time mode isolates VWAP for each session, so you see a session-specific fair value without cross-session distortion. A dedicated VWAP time panel is also included, helping you track active market sessions in real time and anticipate upcoming session transitions. And we still keep day mode, which is the traditional VWAP. This mode helps day traders identify the primary trend of the session. When price stays above the day VWAP, the buying side holds the overall advantage.